Okay, I think we are live now, yeah? Sound check, everyone can hear me or not?
Yes, yes, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Live. I think I'm just loading it.
Yeah, it should be live now, yeah? And what we can do is hide that, yeah? Wow. I think tomorrow, whatever I need to, my room is looking like a bomb site. I need to do some work on it. So let's see. Salam Reza. Subhe Viker. Whoops, got hiccups. My gutka. Tamil, welcome as well. Welcome, hope you can hear us, yeah?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You can talk as well. Please don't call me sir. I'm not capable of sir. Old man, uncle is fine.
Okay.
Sir or ustad, don't qualify. I don't qualify. uh, mind you, these titles, either sir or ustad, yeah? Those titles are not like you learn and you get it. It is, you have to earn it. Nah? You can't say I'm a ustad. It has to be told by others that you are. Nah? Same like our musicians. Nah? You see all the musicians, and then you see like name, say if you hear the name Shehnai fellow was Bismillah Khan, Pandit Ravi Shankar. Yeah, all these people. It's the people that gave them the title of Ustad. Yeah, the title is given by the appreciation by other people, not you appreciating yourself. Huh? And they are only labels. You will find like Lataji, Rafi Saab, Mehndi Hassan, Jagdish Singh, all these very well-known singers I'm just talking about. Well, they were very, very humble people. They didn't care on name or title or nothing. Nah? No? Okay. Everybody comments. Prashant, welcome. Nisa Dimbilki, marhaba bikum. Nisa is somebody new, yeah? Habjan, how you say Dobro Jutro or Dobro Dan? Okay. Yeah, all the very new ones, just say in the comments a little bit where you are or something. So that way we know where you are at least, yeah? Where you are at least. Maybe. Yes, Habjan, I can hear you.
Oh, Dobro Jutro.
Dobro Jutro or Dobro Dan.
Dobro Dan, it will be.
Yeah. Hawala for coming.
How are you?
I'm good. Yeah,
You look good.
getting fatter, Too much.
Okay, that's not. How's your wife, lovely?
She's better, but waiting for more tests and maybe next Wednesday after the meeting, maybe more operations. Yeah, maybe more operations. But good thing is she's positive. She's positive. Yeah.
Just give best regards, wishes.
I will. Regards and prayers. Nothing can beat that. Nothing to do with that. Okay, Tinesh is here as well. Tin, welcome. Yeah. Ahmed, welcome. Dharmil, how is your beta? Okay. Yeah. So slowly, I think we give them about 10 minutes. Yeah. 10 minutes and then we can start. Yeah.
Yeah, we
Honest.
can wait for 10 minutes, Bhajan. Then I think people comes to know. And tomorrow, today, right now is in Juma time also.
Because that's Walid said, you see, it's exactly Juma time in Pakistan. So I wrote a comment. Juma is important. Go and do the Juma and remember us all, and especially our parents, in your prayers. You can always watch
Yeah,
the
true.
you can watch the recording after. You cannot take the prayer time. It's gone. It's gone.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. You cannot put. My God, YouTube or
Nishant Bhai
live.
is busy or something?
Nishant Bhai has taken his son for a checkup now.
Oh, okay.
So just routine checkup. So traffic and whatever, and of course, I suppose even India same as here. When you go to
Fine.
medical centers or whatever, waiting now. So waiting time as well. You don't know, yeah. Waiting time, yeah. Okay, okay. Nisa, can you hear us? Nisa Demirci sounds like, I don't know. I'm guessing. Now tell me, Ruben, magandang hapon, magandang hapon.
Magandang gabi.
Gabi, yeah, okay, Gabi for you now, yeah. Nisa, I'm guessing you are maybe in North Africa. I'm guessing like maybe Morocco and that area. Or am I totally wrong? I don't know. Tell me.
Dia maka ko. Adi terus babot.
Whoops. Okay. Okay. If you guys have side noise or mute it, and then you can put it back on again. Yeah. Wow. Private chat. Somebody. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Kalai Wanakam. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Where is the usual suspects? Boss Lady, Brownla, Kiur. Maybe Kiur is at work and he can't log in yet.
I think I didn't have a right to share in that Prabha trading price action. That's why those people didn't know. Maybe.
No. I put it in Prabha. I put direct live stream. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. In Prabha,
in,
I put direct live stream there. Yeah.
in price trading price action group.
Yeah. I posted it there already. I make sure. Let me make sure.
No, so far no, not it.
You know why? Because
No.
I didn't. You will see here. Look. See, I in my rush, I haven't clicked enter. Thank you, Vipin. Okay, given that as well. So that way, we have both YouTube and live stream. But in Prabha's one, I put only the live stream link direct. Yeah, because there's only like a handful from there that are coming. Yeah, and also if you see, because it's Prabha's room and he's like a son, he is my son, but there's rules there as well that we have to abide by. Yeah, we are all guests, and by me just taking advantage and throwing in YouTube links and things like that, some other people might feel angry about it, in that, oh, you are not letting other people put a link, but you are letting this old man put a link, you see. So we don't want to cause any havoc. And if he makes an exception for me, then he has to make an exception for everybody. Yeah, and then in his room things can start getting chaos. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Nisa. But Nisa, where are you? I'm asking you, which country are you in? No. Okay. And here, obviously, you can all ask any questions you like, good, bad, and ugly, Wow, I'm getting hot here. Okay, so 3 more minutes and then we start, yeah?
Nisa Nisa don't know English. That's why she didn't say anything.
Nisa Beit Arabia, Morocco, Tunisia. Aywa. Marhaba bikum. I think it's Morocco. My Arabic is absolutely rubbish, by the way. If I say something wrong, forgive me. Turkish. Oh, okay. Gunyadin Juma Mubarak. Mubarak. Allah Razus. From Haji Attila. Okay, nice. In fact, let me give Haji Attila a link as well. My God, I keep on forgetting.
Attila is not in live, not in online in Discord group family also.
Because I've sent it to him WhatsApp, na? I think he might be out, na?
Yeah, he must be out.
Because Friday and yeah. But I've sent it anyway, yeah. So inshallah he will come.
Boss lady, she's already in. I went long on gold just now. It's okay. It made the B in private chat.
Vipin bhai, it's too late. I've already gone long. What do you want me to say? Close it. No, I can't. You took it long. You must be so sorry. You jumped in.
Exactly.
You jumped in. I'm not saying right or wrong. Yeah, I'm just talking. Yeah, you jumped in already, and then you say, "What do I do now?" Why did you?
True.
Because you're already in, nah? So. Oh God.
Exactly.
Yeah, if you haven't done something, then you can suggest idea. But if you are already in, then obviously if something is wrong, when we look at it, we'll tell you are wrong. Yeah, but
Yeah.
but as long as you stay focused and nimble, flexible, you can play the market both ways, whether it's going up or down. Yeah. And like I keep on saying, like a broken record, don't get married to positions and things. Yeah. So keep that in mind, and especially Fridays. Fridays, I call it as a Crooks Day, yeah?
Yeah, true.
We call it Crooks Day, yeah? And today is a normal Crooks Day. But when we have like non-farm payrolls or something, we call it the Mega Crooks Day, yeah? Mega Crooks Day.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so, let's, first things first, what we need to do is, yesterday, we took live trade at 1832 in gold, yes? Yeah? Remember?
Yes.
We took 1832 in gold short and we banked it with $10 drop. I mean, the Forex guys call it as 1,000 pips, yeah? But $10 drop, and I set the target in, and of course in Discord I told them as well, I'm putting that target, and I was in hospital when I came back. It had already landed. Yeah, we took the other trade we had taken was the Nasdaq. Yeah,
the
Nasdaq trade, and this was the Nasdaq trade. Yeah,
Exactly.
Okay. And the gold trade, we'll written it in comments, yeah, because otherwise get cluttered up on the screen. The Nasdaq trade closed itself with 100 points.
Uh-huh.
And then, of course, in Discord, I took a pound short as well. And that I usually look, in a currency trade, I look, absolute minimum is like 25 points, but usually it's 50 or 100 pips, yeah? But yesterday, because I was going to hospital, I think I closed it with 21 or 22 pips. Yeah, it's more than enough. But
Exactly.
as we tell everybody, all of you guys here, you have an opportunity. We are not charging you anything. if you don't want to miss anything, then my suggestion would be it's your choice. You come, don't come, free country, yeah. If you come in the Discord room, then you will never ever miss any live trade. Plus anything in between the trades we are in and while we are weaving through them, you will have a proper update on everything. So you will never be left holding the can. But one thing, as I kept as a disclaimer, I say is, if you are in Ripin's room or even my Telegram, my daughter's room, or in my son Prabha's room, I know exactly. I remember nearly everyone's name by your usernames and everything. And when you come here as well, who's coming from where? If you don't stay as active as you are in those channels in the Telegram, then we will boot you out. Whether you are in Discord or even here or whatever, we don't need you, because the whole idea is to help you and for you to benefit, not for me to tout customers from somewhere else to come and see this old ugly face. Yeah, make sense?
Yes, bye.
Yeah, because we made recently, because we get people here and tell them to come come in our Cool Pips flagship Discord room, and then the other person where they came from, who has spent time and effort to build the room and everything, yeah, and working hard to do it, and then we cut his knees off. I can't do that. I can't do that. Yeah, I can't do that. Okay. Anybody? Reza. Okay. So this trade we can take it off now. Yeah, this trade is off, and in fact we can say delete it. Yeah, we deleted it as well. So if we do something new, we will see. Okay, so S&P, yeah. Oh my. S&P minimum target today, I'm looking to see, even if it dips or whatever, I want to see the 4366 cyclist plus or minus 3. So say 4360 as an absolute minimum on a buy, yeah. And I put that in the Discord room early in the morning. I think maybe about 5 o'clock. Woke up a little bit late today, yeah. So okay, here just look for dip to buy, okay? Dip to buy, and we're saying this 4360, 4366 area is there. And the last 2 days, you can say the absolute high, the all-time high was 4384.50. So you keep that as an idea marker in your head. And I think better be if I do it like this, so chalk and talk. So we know this
We can't see your screen. 1 second. We can't see your screen.
Oh, okay. Now.
Yeah, now it's fine. Fine.
Okay, and everyone can see the levels. Okay, so this is S&P 500, yeah. So we know 43840.50 was the all-time high 2 days ago, yeah. And then remember I said it's like you go in a battle and you can't hold that level and they drop, yeah. And yesterday we dropped to around 4332 area, yeah. And now in the night, I think after the close, we went to around 38 area, okay? And now we are at 4357 area at break even, yeah? So now we need to wait for the American market to open and see what happens. But like I said, this area here, 4360 is a target, okay? But unless you got in from the morning, is different, but I would rather wait. But today I would say look for the lows to buy, yeah? And on Friday, remember one thing, on a Friday, they want to keep you guessing over the weekend, and then Monday, they start showing the cards as to what they plan to do next. So Friday, unless absolutely something happens, the market is not going to top out or bottom out, yeah? Makes sense now? That's why we call it a crooks day. And Friday, crooks day also, in that all week, whatever profit you have made, they will try their damnness to take it out of your wallet on a Friday, yeah? So Friday, don't take too many trades for one. Cut your size down as well and relax. and plan. The more you plan, the better you will do. The more you plan, the better you will do. Yeah. Okay. So we got the bias on that. Now, always do this. I don't know how I do it. Okay. Okay. We know this magic number at 35. I am already short. I'm already short in the Dow, yeah? Rather than looking me, I'll just at 34864. 34864 posted in Discord in the morning, and I'm short, and I'll even add to it, and I will hold it, yeah? Okay. In fact, we can say where are we? Whoop. I'm looking for it. Just give me a second. My eyes. Wait, did I post it somewhere else? Whoop. Okay. Aha, at 7:30 in the morning, yeah? Copy. And if I put it in the comments, yeah? So everyone can see it, that trade, there you are. It's time-stamped and there. That is the Dow trade, yeah? Yes, everyone got it? Dow and things, be careful because, intraday it can even move like 1,000, 1,200, and before when with the volatility, it was moving around nearly 2,500 points as well, yeah? Yeah? Everyone okay?
Yes, bye.
Yeah, okay. Okay, Nasdaq, can you see the trade we done yesterday? Straight from there to F1, but we took 100 points, is more than enough, yeah? 14964, and you can see how it worked. And also, other thing yesterday, if you listen to the commentary, and I was talking with Nishant and all of you, and I was saying that we are looking for either a shallow or a deep low at the open and beginning 45 90 minutes of Wall Street, the Dow and S&P 500. Of course, we trade S&P 500, the professional index, more. So, and I said it gives a pattern, either a tennis ball dropping down the stairs and then a V shape, and then see if it does climbing the stairs, yeah? And you can see here easily. Look, tennis ball drop, pop. Tennis ball drop, pop. Tennis ball drop. Now we got the V shape, and we are going up, yeah? See? So let's see, does it do that? Okay? So you can see if this was a ball, bounce, pop, bounce, pop, yeah?
No. Is that S&P, sir?
Yeah, that's S&P 500, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, and when you look at yesterday, and you can see, let me do like this so you can get all the levels, yeah, when you look at it, yeah? So Dow, we just say it as well, and we're waiting, and let me do that that way. If you can't see all the levels, shout me, yeah, so I do it for you, yeah? Okay. Okay. This one, if it gives a nice pop, we want to sell it, yeah? DAX, we want at least to see the MOB, yeah? I'm long on the DAX from very early in the morning, but I did not post the trade in Discord, yeah, because of going to drop my daughter at the station or whatever. So if I did not post a trade, I'm only mentioning it. I don't need to say any more about it, yeah? But I want the DAX to go above the MOB, and that is where I will close that trade, yeah? I don't want to say in hindsight, oh, I did this, I did that. No, I don't like that. Okay, Nifty. You can see it's in a range. It's in a range. And you need to count the number of points that is it worth taking a trade, and has it got enough room? Yeah, it's got, I think, the spread is around 5, yeah? So you need to make 10 points to get break even. So be careful on that, but look very quickly. You know where the high area is. If it comes near the C1 area, then you can see the policeman here. You can see the policeman here, and you can look to take short and see come to MOB, and obviously you know how to draw the lines in between, yeah? Yes, and you can see we are in a range, and you can call it even like a flag or whatever, any channel together, yeah? Okay? Yes, any questions, please shout, and Vipin bhai, thank you for monitoring things, yeah, because
Yeah, we are actually, I have some question, but we are actually coming to the Bitcoin. So I feel Bitcoin, it will cover up at that time.
Okay, yeah, Bitcoin we will do as well. Bitcoin, remember I said I want to be mini swing long, yeah? Remember yesterday I said Bitcoin mini swing long, and
Yeah.
I am mini swing long. I posted in Discord, and 31445.12, and it was about in the morning. It was around 700 points in profit as well. Yeah, I haven't touched it or closed it. When it's giving at least 1,000 points, I will take a bit off. But my initial target for the mini, because it's a mini swing power play, the first target I wrote it down yesterday was 3333.33. Yeah, and the second one is with the Templars and Vipin Bhai. You will know 343. Yeah,
Yeah, sure.
343. Yeah, okay. So it's there already. They don't need to know the magic of it. They just need to know the numbers. Yeah. It's just like a cup of tea. You make it. You don't need to know how much milk and sugar and tea leaves you put in it. Yeah. Okay. DAX, we just said I'm waiting for it to cross the MOB and over. So looking, and you can see obviously again the cup of the U shape forming. Yeah. If it does a proper zoom, then 786 area is here, and you can see yesterday's lines as well. Yeah, which will attract or distract. Yeah. Frenchies, what are they doing? Nah, same thing. This is ding ding ding. Dogs into a French. France is eating onions. You know. WTI. We said yesterday. Remember oil sell.
Yeah.
Huh? And yesterday we can say 72.50 whatever to 71.30, about $1.5 drops. Yeah, no more than that. Sorry, what am I talking about? 74, 75. Yeah, 70, 73. Say 73 to 71. Yeah, that's a $2 drop. Now we wait for it to pop, and then we want to sell oil again. Yeah. So for the next 14 days at least, you are looking to sell rallies in oil. If you buy it, then you make sure that you get your stock to break even quickly, and also keep in mind the expiry of oil. Yeah. Brent will be the same situation. And in the years past, Brent is a second class oil. Yeah. Saudi, Iran is the best one. Okay, somebody is trying to come in. Provide stream. Okay. If you can give them somebody trying to come in, yeah. So let's give them a chance as well. If one can drop out and come in with YouTube, and we give the other person a chance, yeah. Okay. Please, whoever has got the noise in the back, drop it, yeah. Okay, please, thank you. Because you must have consideration for other people as well. If there's noise, then please cut it out, yeah. Brent oil, like I was saying, is second class oil. You can even call it like heating oil, no? And in the years past, Brent oil was around $2.5, $3 cheaper than the American, US oil. And it is actually not US oil. The bloody oil belongs to Saudi Arabia and the OPEC, Okay. So even though we call it US crude, it is not US crude. But that's another story. Anyway, Brent used to be $2.5, $3 cheaper than the light crude. And what happened is, when we had the Hormuz Straits and the Middle Eastern hotpot and then the Iraq war and whatever, what they did is, these crooks, the Americans, I mean, sorry, no disrespect, but truth is truth. What they did between themselves as a cartel, they put all the war risk premium on Brent. Even though the American oil was threatened, the US oil, they put the war risk premium on Brent. And that is why Brent is more expensive than the US one. Okay? Just little bit of information that, makes you wonder. And in Brent oil as well, as an oil, like I said, it's garbage. It's rubbish heating oil. But to make it better, what they need Nigeria. And the Nigerian oil, they call it Bonny Light. The Nigerian oil is like, you can say, 100% pure. And what they do is they get the Nigerian Bonny Light and they add it to Brent, to make it into the distillates that they want. Otherwise it is crap oil, Sorry, we are not going to be oil riggers, We are not in the oil industry. We only trade it.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Silver. What did I say yesterday regarding silver, guys? I'm asking questions as well, so I know who is listening and who is taking notes or note or whatever. Oops, everyone quiet. Anyway, okay. So to move ahead, silver. I have said yesterday, today. Look for a pop. I'm already mini swing short in silver, but I didn't post it, so I'm not going to say a word about it. But you are looking for a mini swing short in silver, and you want to hold it for at least 14 days, 10, 14 days, So look at rallies in silver to sell it. But keep your size, what you call manageable. And here, when you look at this here, let's see, funny. Is it funny enough or not? Can you see? And also you can draw your trend line. Okay? And say roughly, without giving any secrets away, this is our middle line here. You can call it, I will not scream it. But see this arrow, you can do this line here and put a line here. And the number I've told in silver, I'm saying is 25.50, You can even say 25.55, 25.50 is half number, but 25.55 is line inside that. If when it gets there, you need to be very, very careful that does it hold it or does it fold it, So simple as. But obviously, we are looking at a 30-minute chart. You must, without me even mentioning it anytime, you must always look at the higher time frames, okay? What did we say? The big boys, the bosses, and in this area, we are the workers, This one here, we're just watching, Whoop, what have I done here? We got a screen freeze or something. Okay, you're back to normal. Okay, so you got the numbers for silver. If you don't get all the numbers, C2 to F1, if the chart is enlarged or minimized, do shout. This is gold futures, the price is near enough the same, 1823. We knew yesterday the MOB area was 1821.90 as the MOB. Is my memory good or bad? I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
it was there. So you need to keep that in mind. And we've just at 1823, 1822. It needs to actually, we said yesterday, 1818. Remember?
Yeah.
1818.88 or 1818.11, I said. We need to correct that, and then we need to watch the this one here, yeah? So let's see what they do. At the moment, they are not giving any secrets away, yeah? They're not giving any secrets away at the moment, yeah? But my long long outlook, I already said the fire of London and all that. So you can Google when was the fire of London, yeah? Maybe that might help. But or look at the other videos, yeah? I'm not being cryptic, I'm just my sixth sense of humor, it's a tongue twister. Trying to make you guys think at the same time. So what do we say? MOB. What do we say on MOB? Generally above MOB is bullish, below MOB is bearish, and we need to be careful at MOB. We need to be careful at MOB, and we need to be careful at LOC. That is where the pattern can change and they can wrong foot us, yeah? So what do? We do nothing at the moment. Just watch. Just watch. And look at the difference. It's not worth taking a trade. I mean, say 41, 40, 404, 39. It's like, say 30 pips, yeah? Is it worth it? And the speed is not there. If the market does not move, you cannot do nothing. If it is volatile, you can do anything, yeah? You can have trend, everything, whatever have you. But if there is no momentum or speed, then you just say, okay, it's not going anywhere. Let me wait and watch. Main thing, or I would say the hardest thing I've noticed in all my years is the hardest thing for a trader to do is nothing. Because most people are jumping in trades or chasing trades or I've got to do something. That is the wrong mentality. That is the mentality of a worker who goes to work from 9 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock, a day job. That your boss will come and say, how much job have you done? No, as a trader, the time is yours. You are not a slave to the market. Don't become a slave to the market, yeah? So don't fall in that trap, yeah? In the 9 to 5 job, because that becomes that you are a chaser and FOMO trader, and I've got 4 hours before my appointment. Oh, I need to go out. 5 minutes to go shopping. I need to get trades done. So you see, that is the wrong way. And then that trade is the one that is going to waste your 2 days watching it, dry, yeah? Makes sense? Everybody been through that? Anybody been through that? I've been through that. In fact, I'll put 2 hands up. I'll put my 2 feet up as well. I've been there, done that. I've been there, done that. I got all the t-shirts. You think it will finish in half an hour, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then you end up holding it for 2 days, Okay. Same thing, trending up. Okay. Another thing. As traders, what is our method in a way? I know this is not a learning session, but I'm just giving little snippets in between as learning as well. I hope it is learning and not garbage. As traders, are you a trader or are you trading? Do you know the difference? A trader is one who plans a trade, waits it out, leaves it as well. He decides. The one who starts as a trader and he falls into the trap of trading is the one who is always chasing trades. I need to trade. So you end up not making even any money, but you are just trading. You didn't make any progress, yeah? So sitting at the screen for 24 hours or 8 hours or 12 hours, that makes no difference. You can utilize your time to your effect when the movement is happening, and you will probably, instead of sitting in front of your screens for 24 hours, you will probably make a better living just trading for 1-2 hours in the day, rest, enjoying yourself, and not chasing trades and taking a regular income out of it instead of trying to grow a pot and whatever, yeah. But we'll go into more into that at the weekend, yeah. But say as a trader, we are always looking for a discount. Say the price is 70.24 here, yeah. The price is here, yeah. As a trader, our mindset is give me a discount and I will buy. You will not just say I'll buy here, yeah, because then you are trading. A trader looks for the opportunity to come to him. If he doesn't, he will wait for another one. So that is the difference between a trader and trending. And you always say, give us a discount, or we call it, a pullback, yeah, pullback, correction, or retrace, whatever, yeah. Now, if you are a pullback trader, that it comes in, pull back, and yes, I will buy. Pull back, and yes, I will buy. Yes, that will work. But one thing for that to work is you have to look at a trend or a channel. Trend or a channel to give you a pullback to buy. Agreed? So now, if, say, for example, the trend is missing and you're looking for a pullback, the trade ain't going to work. Make sense? I know, obvious, but a lot of people are missing it. Does that make sense now? Does the key drop a little bit that, oh, yeah, you need to have two legs to walk. You cannot walk with one leg. Well, you can. You can hop. You can hop. And hope in trading is not trading, yeah? Hope is a bad word in trading. It's like a swearing word. But can you see the idea what I'm saying now? Does it make sense to you?
Yes, bye.
Huh? Because for a pullback, yes, we all want a discount, but you don't want to have a discount if there is nothing there to hang your hat on. Yeah? Okay. And what do we say when we come here? Always look at reference points in the back. Yeah, if that policeman don't come out, then you can look to sell. Yeah. What did he do on 1 hour? This is our main policeman here. I'm looking very quickly here. Yeah, policeman here, rain here. Yeah, we started from here. And how is the man running? He's done the pattern. He's running up again. If he tries to do that, see, and does he do that? Okay. Look, I'm giving you the second part as well without. But if you come and do the man running and the race and the policeman and everything, all this you will be able to fit it much better. Much better how to talk to the market. Yeah, near enough deciphered it here for you within, not saying I'm right, but that's the plan. That's the plan, okay? Hope you guys got it, yeah? If you don't get it, either go and see a doctor or shout at me, yeah? Okay, and can we here as well, can we just see, like, can we think in our inner eye that is going to make like a letter M? Can you see? Everything is square, triangle, and circles. Can you see the idea? Symmetry, yeah? Okay. Nobody is asking any questions, whatever? Okay.
So far, no one is asking.
No one is asking, or maybe they went quiet, I don't know why. Okay. Euro, what are we going to do in Euro? Yesterday we had said, look for a sell, yeah? It worked. And how did the sell work? Roughly 846, about 50 odd points, yeah? 50, 60 points, we can say roughly, yeah? So now we wait for it to come, and if it struggles at this area or MOB, you can safely look to sell. And not today, it can do it if it wants, but we are looking for 1.7100. Where are we? 1.700, yeah? We are looking for 1.1700. If it gets there, obviously plus and minus because it's a round number, yeah? And if it holds, then you can buy the euro and hold it a little bit. But if it falls, it can get ugly, okay? So this is the line in sand for euro, okay? Making sense? So safer bet, instead of buying here, I would wait for it to pop up a bit. If you miss it, doesn't matter. You know where you're looking at the bottom, yeah? And look at the higher time frame and see we got the 135 pattern as well. When 5 comes around here above the MOB, you can look to sell and hold it. And you know where the highs are of recent as well. Did you get all the numbers for euro? You should have now. And USD CHF, as I've taught you, if you take a buy in euro, you take a sell in USD CHF. It doesn't have to be tick for tick. And you can see, look, C1 is coming down. We got the halfway line here in the middle. If it comes lower, then you see, and so you can watch the euro here on the second. Here, it will be doing the opposite of it, yeah? Pound as well is sell the rallies we have said. So again, same thing, need to wait. MOB, small policeman, but not enough movement in here. Wait and see, yeah? Euro JP, okay. We had said yesterday to buy. It's done the job. It's above the MOB. So now we wait and see where it comes up and where it stops. This is the policeman area. You can look to sell it there. If it breaks up, then you need to watch that one. Hope I'm not going too fast or anything. Shout me, please, you know. The thing is, you know, because, oh, Wanakam, Thambi, or Thambi's son, yeah? Son Prabha, welcome. Welcome. And Prabha, you can watch, you know, as the previous ones or whatever. I've given them all a warning. If they mess about in your room or, you know, stop talking, I'm going to take their bollocks off, yeah? Okay, so GBP yen. Same situation, sell the rallies business, yeah? GBP yen as well, yeah? Okay, USD JP, popper, yeah, it's done the pop C1 and coming down. So now we need to watch, yeah? Need to watch. Ideally, we can say we missed this move unless it pops up a little bit and see. But main area to watch today is the Wall Street Open, yeah? What mood are the Americans in? It's like the whole world and his dog. All the countries don't have any economy except the Americans controlling it, yeah? Okay, so need to watch that. Okay, Euro GBP. Again, they're all, unfortunately, when we want to do live trade, they're all in a watch game. If something lines up, USD CAD, yeah, it came pop and drop done. Again, waiting game. And in the comment section, you know, please do put a comment or write down what you call what you mainly trade, you know, or something. So that way I can get my old head to concentrate a bit more on those things as well. Yeah, I'm trying to give you as many bullets to fire at the market. Then you decide to put it in the gun and shoot or not, yeah? You pull the trigger. And, you know, this daily levels, everything, whatever have you, is not magic, okay? It's just hard work. It's not magic, yeah? So, you know, most of you speak Hindi as well or understand Hindi, yeah? So what you can say is, it's Kartak. Kartak means kar, and tak means do it until you can. So you have to work with them to make them work for you. Understand? Kartak. Remember that, not Carnatic, yeah? Kartak. Okay, that's the Hindi word for that, or Urdu word, or Punjabi, or whatever. Okay. Prashant, crude and net gas. Okay, yeah, I trade those anyway, so you have the numbers on that. Again, same thing, MOB, better watch and see. At the moment, there's no volatility that can, you know, make us aware. Same thing again, watching game. Mind you, this AUD and Kiwi and all that, actually, it is Saturday in that country, yeah? So we are trading Saturday market when they are sleeping anyway, because they're not going to open tonight, yeah? Euro NZD. You take a small buy and just hold and see if you can get to MOB, yeah? GBP CHF, okay, it's a small sell. It's a small sell, okay? Small sell, small sell. And just for me being nosy, because most of you guys trade, you don't trade futures, I know that for a fact, yeah? On Forex or whatever, can you just roughly write down normally, what size do you trade? What size do you trade, yeah? Just as an idea, so I get an idea. And maybe I can scream after I see the idea, yeah? AUD and ZD, put a stop below here, and or you're going to the races soon, okay? See, we are in a range. And remember, here, this is learning in action. This is the range. So you have what is known as the horizontal support and resistance, yeah? Resistance, support, yeah? So now, what did I teach you? If it does a breakout and it's only like little pop out like that, you expect a rinse and wash. If it does a proper pop out like that, for example, then you expect a shallow pullback, and then it can either start to channel or trend. Okay? Whoops, I hate this thing. I don't know where it comes from. This new update in what you call this Microsoft, yeah? Okay. Private chat. Cannot, oh, Reza cannot hear me. What happened? Where is Reza? Reza is not logged in, I think. Cannot hear you now. Ruben? Oh, Ruben, you need to unmute your mic, maybe. I am talking. Oh, okay. Thanks, Ruben. Yeah, because everybody else can hear, so.
Yeah, we can hear you. I think Ruben's speaker's having some issues or something.
Okay, yeah, because I see when he was talking, he had muted his mic. Now his mic is on, but maybe you're right, his speaker is on, yeah?
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Sir.
Yeah, and we can see you as well. Yeah, Ruben's got his mask on as well. Okay, good man. You are in lockdown 5 days or 7 days, yeah? See, they're all ranging. It's just a patience game. Be patient and not a patient, yeah? Same thing again we said on the other one. Let me put all the levels. Look for a little sell, but look at the spread and the movement, yeah? A scalp, okay, when you guys do a scalp trade, how many pips are you looking for in your scalp trades? Do write it down or shout it out or whatever, yeah? And the other question asked as well is, what is the size you normally trade? No one has answered, you know? No one has answered.
Assalamualaikum, Zarif sir. It's about if I'm doing Junaid here.
Junaid, welcome. Walaikum salam. Juma Mubarak.
Yeah, same to you, sir. Juma Mubarak to you. I normally do in the gold about 5 points, about you can say 50 pips. 4 points in the scalp.
Okay. Don't worry. I will make you do in gold, not 5 pips or whatever, but you will be doing minimum, absolute minimum, $2, $3, or $4 moves. So which is like 200, 300, 400 points. So that way you don't make the broker very rich and you become a little bit richer. Yeah.
Yeah, inshallah, sir. Thank you.
And size small. Okay, size small, and inshallah, tomorrow or Sunday we will do the live session, learning, and I will tell you. Okay, I'll tell you as well. Okay, and we can do that.
Sure.
We can do that. Yeah. Inshallah.
Yeah, we'll wait. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, GBP AUD looking for a sell again as well. Okay. Coco. Okay. Coco is a monster. Okay. Soon Coco is going to go up like a rocket, yeah? It's going to go up like a rocket.
You
Just
have a
waiting.
scalping answers on YouTube chat and private chat as well.
Okay. Yeah, I've seen Dharmil does 4 to 5 pips. Okay, Dharmil 4 to 5 pips. Okay. Okay. Oh, $4 to $5. Okay. Okay, you're scalping as until you get the money. Okay. Money trade. Okay, fine. Take it. But okay. When I'm trading S&P and if I put a ES trade on, if I don't put the target, the magic number is it's giving you 3 points. Say like it's at 4356. Now, when it comes to 4359, you should bank it because 1 point on futures is $50. 3 point move is $150. Yeah. So either lock it, bank it, and wait, and you can retake the trade again. Um, Gold, like I said, minimum $2, $3, $5 drop. Yeah, because nice volatility as well. And usually, like you seen yesterday, I put a $10 target at that MOB and it banked. So instead of trying to do 5-10 pip, 5-10 pip, 5-10 pip, you can let the trade breathe, yeah, and let it do its job instead of tinkering with it, yeah. You'll do better and you'll be more relaxed. You'll be more relaxed, yeah. You'll be more relaxed. But in currencies, especially the majors or whatever have you, if I take a trade, the minimum it has to give me is say 25 points, say plus or minus a few points. Normal is 50 pips at least, and usual is at 50 I will take half off or quarter off or 3/4 off, and usually I go for what I call a centurion, means 100 pips at least. Yeah, 80, 90, 100 pips, and that's why trade is done. So many times if I put a trade and you think he has not updated, that means I'm still in the trade. Until I say I'm out, I'm in. And when I update it, you will see it will be like 50 pips, 80 pips, 100 pips, 25 pips. Yeah. So, and if you are trading 2 pips and 3 pips and 4 pips and whatever, then you are making the broker more rich than you are. Yeah. Making sense now? So,
Yes, boy.
So what would happen? The people who are trading, I'm just guessing as well. People are doing 2-3 pip trade is going in 1 lot, 2 lot, and 3 lot and trading the money, not the market. So if you are doing that, what you should do is cut your, say you're doing 1 lot, cut your trade down into the size of 0.1. Let it breathe and take 50, 80 points and with relaxation, no stress. Because with that other one, with the 1 lot one, you can't blink, your stress is going up and down, you're looking at the bottom line and screaming. Yeah, so just an idea. We can give you the suggestions, you follow them, is up to you. Yeah, like they say in English, you can take a horse to water, but you cannot make it drink. Yeah. Okay. CHFJP, you could take a small long, but it is struggling to go up as well. The volatility is not there, unfortunately. Yeah. Mexican, no one trades it here, I think. Okay. VIX, you can look to take small long in it, but use size small, and VIX is a mover. Yeah. At the moment, it's quite calm. It's quite calm. Euro CHF, look for a little tiny sell, but watch the C2. What is the gold currency doing? Okay, this is interesting. Okay. You could put a stop just below here and try and see if you can scalp it up. Yeah, you could take a small buy, but you have to be nimble with it. Yeah, you have to be nimble with it. Yeah. So USD is a buy. And we see the other thing. Are we getting in the formation of a V shape or not? There you are. There's your V. You can put your stop below the V. Yes? Agreed? Can you see? That's your risk. Just below here. And then see, yeah? But give it a bit of breathing space and look at that idea here in the middle, yeah? Okay. Anybody, anything, any questions, anything? And you know where the low of there was as well. So a question here for all you guys here, new and old, yeah? Is this helping you guys honestly? Are you earning from it? Are you learning from it? Or you just come here because you like me, you know? That is okay as well. That's okay as well. So tell me, are you getting and is this better than me posting 60 daily levels for 3 hours in the Telegram channel every morning?
These interactions make you more close, Bhajan. You know, actually, I don't miss any of your
I know
webinars.
No, but I'm asking, you know, like, remember I wake up at 2-3 in the morning and then 3 hours solid I'm making the levels and posting them, ding 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 ding. So I'm asking them that many say we don't know how to use levels, but now even if they don't know, they get the whole idea here that how to use it anyway, yeah? The finer detail when they come to a learning session. And it saves me time as well because I've got them all here done, and we can go through everyone and we can have a plan idea. You can ask me a question the other way around. 3 hours I post it in there, nothing doing, yeah? They don't get any feedback on it except see the numbers, and after the numbers are performed, oh, they worked okay, or it didn't work okay. Well, how did that happen? How did you know? This is how we know. This is how we know, yeah? This is how we know, this is how we plan, this is how I think, yeah? Yeah. And I hope I explain it okay as well and easily, yeah? As simple as can, and hopefully with fun and joke and laugh and talk. But this is serious business because you put your money on the line, yeah? You are putting your money on the line, so you have to be careful. And say we gone through 60 odd or whatever, you don't have to trade 60 things. You like trading gold and it's lining up for you, go for it. If gold is not lining up, something else in there you like and say, yeah, this is better for me, I'll do it. So keep an open mind. Don't say, I'm Euro trader, I'm gold trader. No, you are just a plain trader. You will trade anything that moves. Yeah? Doesn't matter if it's, you know, dogs, bollocks, then they are moving, you trade it, yeah? You don't have to wait for only gold. If it comes here, I will do it. No, you don't have to. If something is performing and the other one is sleeping, you go for the guy who is walking, yeah? You're not going to go and just stand by somebody and say, right, I'll stand until he moves. You must stand there all day by the bus stop. Yeah? So if another bus is going, grab it. Okay. Sorry, so far, except for the trades I'm in, which I had not posted here, I put it in Discord. Nothing so enough juicy has turned up in that I personally would hit it. I will wait another 2 hours or whatever. But today, I was really thinking of doing an afternoon session, but today I can't do it because I'm going to the hospital ophthalmics, and once they put tropicomide and whatever have you in my eyes, I'll be blind as a bat. In fact, they told me today not to drive to the hospital. So basically, they want somebody to take me there and bring me back. Yeah. So I'll see how I feel when I come back in the afternoon. And otherwise, Friday, relaxation day.
I think we have data today.
Hey, we have data.
I think
Anything major? Anything major?
not major. Core retail sales and retail sales.
That's 130. And would you believe it? Again, you get a little system Z goes in play because 130 is when I will be going exactly at the hospital.
Okay.
To get there for 2 o'clock. Yeah. So yesterday I gave you my Holy Grail guaranteed system. It worked. Yeah. It was a mini Zigos, and you seen like S&P dropped, I think, around 30, 35 points. Yeah. In fact, how much did it drop? Always keep a note. You must know exactly what happened. Yeah, not guessing. Uh, let's see. Yesterday, what did it do? What did it do? Where did it go? We dropped 38 points. Yeah, 38 points. So Dow is down, like we can say, 380 odd points. Yeah. Okay. Copper is trying to pop up. So Dr. Copper says going up. So S&P, that 4360, I want to see it print. I don't care where from, but that bugger has to print 4360. Otherwise, I give up trading. Yeah. Or you can all suck me. That's it. I don't give up. You go sucked. Okay. As does oil, as does energy. Yeah. So we wait and see. But oil, we have said, sell the rallies. And where are we in oil? 72. All the Templars here, Ahmed, Vipin, Sanprabha, 72. We know already what it is. Okay. Coffee, I keep on saying, I'm just waiting for it to, it is nearly there. But we don't want to underboil it. I will, even if I miss a little bit of a move in coffee is fine. But I'm just waiting to get mini swing short in coffee. And the price we are going to is around $100 and maybe $88. Yeah. So if we look at it in perspective, maybe if I make the chart bigger, might help us, or even H4 might help us. What we are looking for is we're looking for the 100 mark here, say 100 area, and we are looking for 88. So we are looking for that drop. Okay. So I don't mind waiting a little bit, or if I miss a little bit, and then we are mini swing short coffee. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bitcoin, I'm already long, like I said, and I told you before, and I'll add to it as well. And like I said, in the morning was giving around 700 odd points or whatever it was. I have not taken it. Yeah, I'm looking for dips to buy. Litecoin, same thing again. You look for it to buy. As does Bitcoin, will be Ethereum and everybody. Yeah. Ripple, same thing again. Kroner, Swedish krona, nothing, no juice. Okay, so what is Indian rupee doing just for fun? Okay, C2 and but I never traded Indian rupee. I only look at it. Somebody asked me years back, and it's just there. They used to ask me Indian rupee. What's the Hong Kong Shanghai index doing? Okay, same thing. Doom, down. Oh, okay. Right. So we can have like a little what you call in English, they call it chinwag. Yeah, chinwag means we can have a little talk and a discussion. Yeah, any things you need clarity on or whatever have you or other. Yeah. Any questions? Aha. Okay. What? Okay. One thing. Yeah. All the people. I mean, we normally. I don't know. This machine doesn't tell. There is somewhere that it says that how many people have come or have been coming and all this and whatever analytics. But I personally do have a gripe. Yeah, gripe meaning unhappiness or a issue. Yeah, and the issue is this. Me, Prabha, Vipin, Nishant Bhai, when Attila comes in, we give you our heart and soul. The only thing we ask in return is not make a comment here, But say like on Prabha's YouTube, on his work, you can make a comments there. On Vipin Bhai's one as well. And our channel that, Nishat Bhai and Prabha and Atila and Vipin have made for me and are helping me with it, it might encourage some other people to come when they see, I'm not just saying positive comments, but honest comments and even constructive criticism is fine. And can you, if like yesterday we had over 30 people, only about 4 or 5 people made a comment, yeah? So the 26 people, I would say, is either not interested, or they're just selfish, or they're not finding it of value, whatever. So what I want to see is, I know exactly who they are, because this old head is got keeps it like peanut brain, all the names in head. I am watching it. I'm watching those who don't make a comment, positive or a negative, on the YouTube channel. Believe me, you are history. You are history, because you don't need it. We don't need it, yeah? Because I think Vipin Bhai, Prabha, everyone will agree. This thing you can do is, we're not charging you for anything. We are trying to help you as much as we can. We are paying for all this softwares and servers and subscription for live stream and you name it under the sun, yeah? Never ask anyone for it. Now, if you can't write one sentence or a paragraph, then I think, you don't deserve it. You don't deserve it. Sorry to say, it might sound very bad or callous or whatever, but I'm being absolutely honest. What do you guys think as well? Am I right or wrong?
Exactly. We're just expecting that only, with nothing monetary.
Huh. But at least you can make a comment that was it of value or not. And what would happen is, like, somebody might say, oh, okay, these people are saying, let me go and have a look. Maybe I need to learn something, or I'm missing something. Maybe I will get it and I will learn it. Yeah. That is the intention of it. Our intention is not to bankroll you. Our intention is to try and help you genuinely, yeah, and keep you away from spammers, scammers, and whatever have you, yeah. Otherwise, yes, if you want, I will start from tomorrow. Send me $200 and I'll give you $2,000 in a week, yeah. And after 3 weeks, you will never see me again. I'll be sitting in Bahamas or Maldives and drinking all the tequilas, even though I'm not allowed to drink tequilas, I never have, yeah. And I'll be having a life of Riley, yeah, with your money. I'll run away with it. I'm only joking about it now. Maybe I should become a crook, yeah? To be successful in life, become a crook. Open a bank. Open a bank. Okay. So,
You have some queries in YouTube comments, like
I've seen Gao comment, how do you consider to buy or sell? We've been through all that, but I will give him his own example. His own example yesterday, which I said, and you can look at it. Yesterday, we were in gold, remember, at this 1832 area, yeah? Remember? And you asked me the same question. I said you can put your stop above that and wait for it to make a V shape or whatever that we know from before, and then try and see to go to. And I think the MOB yesterday was 1821.98 or something like that. Say 1822, yeah? And that trade that I took live in front of you, we closed with $10 drop, yeah, at 1822. Huh? So now you already know where you are. If it is struggling, or maybe you need to attend the learning session again, the basics of how to use it. But otherwise, it tells you, like, look, if you are here and you decide, my bias is, okay, it held here as well, my bias is want to go to 1825, $2 or that one, all you need to do is, there you are. Put your stop below here. Your risk is absolutely minimal. Draw a line here. When you take that out, get to ROC and then see where it's been struggling. Yeah? Yeah, easy. Work with it, practice with it, work with it. Like I said, the Hindi word, kartak. Kartak means do it until it happens. Do it to happen. Make it happen, basically, yeah? Make it happen, yeah? Okay? Gao, did that help you? But maybe, if you need, give me a shout, or like I said, tomorrow or Sunday, I will do a learning session, daily levels again. And you can imagine, my God, these daily levels, I don't know, whoa. Instead of advancing forward, I've just been doing only daily levels because people say I missed it, I didn't do it, I didn't know how to. Can you help me? And I'm trying, and every time I do it, it's like 3 hour, 5 hour, 7 hour sessions. Yeah, so attend them, work with them. I can give it to you, but you have to work at it. I can give you all the keys. You have to use the key to open the locks. Then the lock is in here. Once that lock opens, everything will, all the doors will open for you. Yeah. And if the door doesn't open for you, kick it out, break it, and get enter. Yeah. So make it happen. Make it happen. Yeah. Okay.
And boss lady want the
Looney. Boss,
yeah, Looney.
boss lady, I know straight away is Looney. Sorry, boss lady is not Looney. She likes Looney. Yeah. She likes mad ones. Boss lady only likes mad ones. She doesn't like sane people. Only likes mad ones. It was a sell, yeah. It was a sell because look, done the pop, camel pop here. Now, for USD CAD, where have we been? Okay, can you see? Just say right here on your chart, policeman, and draw a line. Okay, so it cannot go above that. You don't want it to go above. It can maybe touch it or whatever on the spike. Or there's no CAD news today, but we got American at 130. Yeah. So now draw this line here and watch this area as well. Yeah. Watch this area as well. If it comes around here, doesn't break it, take a small cell, and you want it ideally to break this and come to LOC. If it breaks LOC, it comes to F1. Yeah. And draw your line here. Can you see? Yeah. I know we got a fake out here, but that was news. Yeah. Bank of Canada fellows talking at I think 3 o'clock and 5 o'clock. Yeah. Does that help you now, boss lady? Easy? Easy, yeah. But you want to sell the rally in the Looney, yeah? In the Looney. Okay? You want to sell the rally. Yeah.
George want to know about GBPUSD and GBJPY.
Whoops. GBP
private chat.
Oh, okay.
GBPUSD cable and the GBP.
Oh, we just said cable, sell the rallies. Just before we missed it, baby. George is from Kenya, I think, na? George, ndugu Singizi. Karibuni.
Asante sana mzee. Asante sana.
Asante, karibuni. Okay, look, we had said sell the rallies. Yeah, so watch for it again. When it pops up, your bias is you want to sell the rallies, okay? You want to sell the rallies in cable, yeah? Sell the rallies in cable. Simple as, yeah? Simple as. And keep this MOB area as your marker when it comes up. But like I said, 1:30 and then 2:30 when the American market opens is when you will get a better direction in the market, okay? At the moment, it's sleepy, yeah? It's sleepy, like 10, 15, 20 pips move. You're just going to be holding on, yeah? And the other one was GBP yen, yeah? Similar situation, I think. Yeah, similar situation, same. Look to sell the rallies, yeah? Okay, anyone else? Yeah, George, repeated that for you again. Mind you, if you miss it, George, Polasana, no problem. Just watch the recording, yeah? Just watch the recording, yeah? And also you are in the Discord as well, nah? So you can ask there as well. And like in Discord, like I said, if you come in and sit down as a silent ninja, believe me, Jack Bhai, Vipin Bhai, Prabha, Nishant Bhai, Haji Attila, is a big competition going. Those people who never talk get booted out. That's it. because it's not for the amount of numbers we want in there. It's people who appreciate it, value it, and benefit from it. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so anybody, anything to say? Any questions? Anything? Final round. Final round while I have my gutka. Anything, guys?
Euro USD. Walid want to know about Euro USD.
Euro USD easy. We said to watch it a little bit because because Walid is fine. Yeah. Look to sell the rallies. This is the policeman. If he comes around this area or MOB, watch it to sell. But ultimately, we are looking, like I said, in euro was 1.1700. Yeah. When it gets there, plus or minus, because it's a round number, that area we need to watch. If it holds, then it will go up. If it falls, then it can get ugly down. Yeah. That's exactly what we said. Yeah. And see, look here as well. You see, in the teaching, I always say, what did we say? Range is your best friend. Yeah. Look for the ranges as well. Most people don't trade a range because when it does a pop out and then they will sell it, buy it right here at the top, and that euro is going to 10,000, and then it does this. Yeah. So that's wash and rinse stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Walid, you seen the euro USD? Yeah. Anyone else? Anything? Walid is on. Add to stream is on as well. Welcome, better. So, any questions, guys?
I think it's over. This
Okay. There's no questions, so you got final 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes, 10:55. I will close it. Airtime gone. Yeah, I mean, no, we can carry it, but if no one is asking anything and they're happy with or unhappy with what they got, then we can close the session because it's not a webinar. The idea is for live trading, but unfortunately, nothing juicy has turned up. But, yeah.
George is asking something for you.
One second. Yeah. So, at this way, we try to give them something. Okay, guys. Oil 71.98 sold. Write it down. Okay. So we can say banner and we can say create a banner US 71.98. Whoops, can't type. Oh, my typing is rubbish, And we can say show the banner. Yeah, there you are, guys. It's written down for you. Yeah. So you got, sorry, Vipin, you were saying something before I started jumping in oil. Yeah.
Yeah, George was asking something like in private chat. Would you repeat why you are watching 72 on oil?
Have a look at the chart. It will speak by itself. But that number, if I tell you the secret of that number, we have to shoot you. Is that straight answer? I shoot you in the head when I tell you. Vipin.
Yeah. Exactly.
But
And the comments also in YouTube comments also SP500 possible to hold until C2, sir. Nazbu's asking in Gao asking.
C2 today, Gao, I'll take all my clothes off and walk around naked outside. Mind you, it's summer. C2 today, what is the all-time high? You bought it at 4340. It's nice. So lock in some profit. And I said minimum today I'm looking at is 4366 cyclists. So 4360 as to print, full stop. Yeah. And then after we see. But I don't see it going to 4389 today. That's me. I can be totally wrong. But like I said, if I'm wrong, I'll take all my clothes off and you can have my birthday suit, yeah? Pippin, I'm only joking about birthday suit, yeah. I get shot for flashing, you know. Okay, so if you are in a buy at 4340, yeah, and you are at 4357 Gao, that is 17 S&P points, yeah. I mean, the reason, remember I said in S&P, keep the idea of the magic number 3, yeah. If he's giving you 3 points, either lock in, take partial profit or whatever, because one contract, that is the minimum you can trade in the futures on the E-mini contract. One point move, one full point move in S&P equals $50. 3 equals $150. Okay. So now think about this. You are in a buy at 4340, yeah, and we are at 4358, say, yeah. You are 18 points in green. And see, the idea we said to you is lock in. So you should lock in at least 18. You should lock in at least 5 points or something, because 18 is 900 US dollar move already that you have got on a future. Huh? That's more than people earn in a day, you know, in doctors, lawyers, and bloody pilots, near enough, yeah? So think of not only the price, think of the value of the price, yeah? It's good knowing the price of everything, but know the value of the price, yeah? What we are trading, what is it worth? Say you are trading with leverage or whatever. When the price is, we say 4358, with your leverage or whatever, you are controlling nearly half a million of that stuff. The index. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. Yeah, it's not a joke. Yeah. So that's my suggestion. But you are in good profit. I would say the good thing would be to lock in a little bit, because what if it opens and it does that, and then you say, "Oh, I had this." Then the negotiation starts. You know, like I said, then you start negotiating with the market. Yeah. And you know I'll prove it to you. Our brain is not in our control. It will never do anything that we want it to do. Yeah. Do you agree with me or do you disagree with me? It is always does the opposite of you. Any idea? Shall we try it and just type in all you people who are here, honestly, yeah? I'm going to shout out something and you say whether you did that or you didn't do it, yeah? On the spot, yeah? On the spot, no thinking. So let's see, at least you guys say yes or no, yeah? Did you do it or didn't you do it, yeah? And I'm talking about the brain, yeah? So I said to you, okay, guys, don't think of an elephant. What happened in your brain? What did you see? See what I mean? You all thought of an elephant. When I said don't think of an elephant, you see, so the brain is not in our control. Not in our control, yeah. And I always say to you, the screen is not your enemy, but it's not your friend, yeah. It's not your friend. Say you are in a trade here and you are looking at every ticket's moving, yeah. Then you will be panicking. But if you let the trade do its job, it will come to you, yeah. My suggestion to you, Gavi, honestly, is lock in some profit and move it up, yeah. Hello, Pawan. Hey, Pawan Parameshwar Mere. Pawan, need to mute your mic, yeah. Okay, I muted his mic. He can unmute himself when he wants. Okay, guys. So, any comments again? Yeah, you see, Tessa thought of Tessa. In Swahili, elephant is tembo, huh? Yeah, njovu. Tembo, huh? I think tembo. Okay, Ruben is on as well. Okay, guys. So, what? Anything or whatever wants to say? Anybody? Anything? Whatever. Last two. Njovu. Njovu. Okay. Asante. Asante. Okay. I'll show you something about Njovu on Monday. On Monday. Njovu. Okay, guys. So, final 1 minute. Any question, and then that's it. Okay, we're only going to count 1 minute. That's it. Because then need to get ready for. Okay, so out of you, everybody here, I think I'm guessing we are about maybe. Hello, Pawan, welcome. I want every one of you. Pawan, Pawan, what you say? You need to mute your mic. You need to mute your mic. You need to mute your mic because there's a lot of interference. Yeah. But lucky you are at the last minute, so going to boot up. So somebody is asking a question. Tembo, Tembo. Okay. Okay, guys. So Vipin Bhai, Prabha, Junaid, Pawan, Ruben, everyone, and all the other ones. Tessa, everybody. Thank you very much for coming, and we will do it all again on Monday, and hopefully either Saturday or Sunday, we will do a live webinar, yeah? And you see, it helps, yeah, but I am expecting each and every one of you, just after I've done this, finished this session of the morning call, I want everyone to put an honest comment down. Okay? If I don't see that, you are getting on the watch list, yeah? Or the kick list, to be sure, we could call it, yeah? Kick the bucket list, yeah? So, okay. Is that fair enough, everybody? So we can close off now, yeah?
Yeah,
we
I
can
think
close.
so. I think the time we can
Time,
close.
yeah, because
No more
look,
questions.
I started at 9:30. We are at say around 11:10, yeah? So that's near enough. We can say, a few minutes off by nearly 2 hours, yeah? That's more than enough. More than enough, yeah? More than enough. Then there's more than enough thing there. And plus we got one trade in already as well, yeah? So we now is a waiting game and wait and see. Okay, so I bid you all bye-bye for now. Tura, as they say in English, or Tata, see you all, yeah? So guys, goodbye everybody, yeah? I'm switching everything off, yeah?
Okay, bye. See you.
Okay.
Take care. Bye.
Okay, Vipin, Prabha, everybody, thank you so much, yeah? Okay. And broadcast.